Right. Welcome to our guide on healing teas from the earth, you lot. Forget those sugary processed drinks you've been chugging down. We're talking about proper natural remedies that actually do something for you, not just rot your teeth. If you think tea is just for your gran, then you're in for a bloody shock. This isn't some Ponzi afternoon tea party. This is about harnessing the raw power of nature to make you feel bloody fantastic. So listen up. Today, we're not messing about. I'm going to share 5 ridiculously easy recipes you can start making today. No fancy equipment, no impossible to find ingredients, just straightforward, honest-to-goodness healing in a cup. If you can boil water, you can make these teas. It's not rocket science, is it? We're going to explore flavors and benefits that will make you wonder why you haven't been doing this your whole bloody life. Get ready to transform your health, one delicious sip at a time. So, pay attention, because this information is golden. We're diving deep into herbs that have been trusted for centuries, long before all this modern nonsense. These aren't just old wives' tales. There's real power in these plants. From calming your frazzled nerves to soothing a dodgy stomach, these teas are your secret weapon. Let's get started and show you how to make teas that are not only good for you, but taste bloody amazing too. Don't just stand there. Let's go. Right, let's get one thing straight. Herbal teas aren't just some trendy nonsense. These concoctions have been used for centuries. I mean, bloody centuries, for their healing properties. Your ancestors weren't popping pills for every little niggle. They were out there, foraging, brewing, understanding what the earth provided. And frankly, they probably knew a bloody sight more about real wellness than many do today. These teas, made from flowers, leaves, roots, and seeds, are packed with compounds that can genuinely impact your body. They can help with everything from a dodgy gut to a mind that won't switch off. So, show some respect for these ancient remedies, will you? It's about understanding the ingredients. We're not talking about some dusty old tea bag that's been sitting in a cupboard since last Christmas. We're talking about fresh, vibrant, potent botanicals. Each herb has its own unique profile, its own special set of skills, if you like. Some are brilliant for calming you down when you're wound up like a cheap watch. Others are fantastic for getting your digestive system working like a well-oiled machine. It's about choosing the right tool for the job, and believe me, when you get it right, the results are absolutely stunning. So wake up and learn something. Now, chamomile tea, if you're stressed out, wound up, or just generally feeling like you want to scream, this is your go-to. It's renowned, absolutely renowned, for its calming effects. Think of it as a gentle hug in a mug, but without the awkwardness. It's not going to knock you out like some dodgy sleeping pill, but it will help take the edge off, soothe those frayed nerves, and prepare you for a decent night's kip. If you're one of those people who lies in bed staring at the ceiling, replaying every embarrassing moment of your life, then for God's sake, try this. It's simple, it's effective, and it doesn't taste like medicine. Making it is dead easy. Even you can do it. You take your chamomile flowers, fresh if you can get them, but good quality dried ones will do, and you steep them in hot water. Not boiling, mind you. You'll scald the delicate little things. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Don't rush it. Let those beautiful flowers release all their common goodness. If you've got a sweet tooth, and let's be honest, most of you do, a little drizzle of honey, not that cheap sugary syrup, can make it even more palatable. Now drink it, and for goodness sake, relax. Alright, next up, peppermint tea. If your stomach feels like it's staging a protest after every meal, or you're bloated like a pufferfish, then listen closely. Peppermint is a bloody lifesaver for digestion. It's zingy, it's refreshing, and it gets to work sorting out your insides. That menthol in the peppermint doesn't just freshen your breath, it helps to relax the muscles of your digestive tract, which can ease discomfort, reduce bloating, and generally make you feel a hell of a lot less like you swallowed a football. It's a proper powerhouse for your gut. To make this elixir, you want fresh peppermint leaves if possible. The aroma alone will tell you it's the good stuff. Bruise them slightly to release the oils. Don't just chuck them in whole, you amateur. Then steep them in hot water for about 7 to 12 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavor. So don't overdo it unless you want your head blown off. You can drink this hot, which is lovely after a heavy meal, or you can chill it and have it iced on a warm day. It's versatile, it's effective, and it's dead simple. So, no more excuses for a grumbling tummy, right? Ginger tea. Now this is a proper kick up the backside for your system, in a good way. If you're feeling nauseous, whether it's from travel, a dodgy tummy, or morning sickness, though don't come crying to me about that. Ginger is your best mate. It's also a fantastic anti-inflammatory. So, if your joints are creaking like a rusty old gate, or you're feeling generally inflamed and sluggish, a good, strong ginger tea can work wonders. It's got that warming, spicy kick that tells you it's doing something. This isn't for the faint-hearted. This is proper, potent stuff. Making it is straightforward. Get yourself some fresh ginger root. None of that powdered rubbish from the back of the cupboard, okay? Slice it up. No need to be too precious about it. About an inch or so per cup. Then you boil these slices in water for a good 10 to 15 minutes. You want to extract all that fiery goodness. Don't just show it the hot water. Boil it. Once it's done, you can strain it. A squeeze of fresh lemon brightens it up beautifully. And a touch of honey can balance out the spice if you're a bit of a wimp. Drink it down and feel the power. Finally, turmeric tea, or golden milk, as some of you fancy types call it. This stuff is liquid gold, and not just because of its vibrant color. Turmeric is famous, absolutely bloody famous, for its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to a compound called curcumin. If you're dealing with chronic inflammation, aches, pains, or just want to give your body a bloody good internal spring clean, then this is the tea for you. It's earthy, it's warming, and it's incredibly good for you. Don't just stare at it. Get it in you. Now, to make this properly, you simmer turmeric powder, or fresh grated turmeric if you're feeling adventurous, in water for about 10 minutes. But here's a crucial tip. You donuts. Add a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in black pepper massively boosts the absorption of curcumin, so don't bloody forget it, or you're wasting your time. Many people also like to add a splash of coconut milk, or another healthy fat, as curcumin is fat soluble. meaning it absorbs better with fats. A bit of ginger or cinnamon can also liven it up. This isn't just a drink, it's a bloody wellness ritual. So, there you have it. 5 stunningly simple, incredibly effective healing teas that you can whip up in your own kitchen. Thanks for watching, you lot. I expect you to actually try these recipes. Don't just sit there nodding along like a Churchill dog. Get in the kitchen, get brewing, and find out which one becomes your go-to. And when you do, let us know your favorite in the comments below. Don't be shy. Tell me what worked, what you loved, or even if you mucked it up spectacularly. This isn't just about watching a video, it's about taking action and improving your bloody health. These teas are a gift from the earth, so treat them with respect and use them wisely. They're a simple, natural way to support your body and mind. And frankly, we could all do with a bit more of that in this chaotic world. So stop making excuses and start making some tea. It's one of the easiest things you can do for your well-being. And listen, if you found this useful, which I bloody well hope you did, then don't forget to like this video. Share it with someone who needs a good talking to about their health. And for goodness sake, subscribe for more no-nonsense health tips and recipes. We got plenty more to come, so you don't want to miss out. Now, off you go. Chop, chop.